Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muzamil and this is my poster presentation for the final exam in the course Introduction to Research in ALT. So today I will talk about data collection. This topic is from part 3 of this book by DLT Griffey. I hope this video helps you understand the different ways to collect data in research. Let's start. The first is questionnaires. Questionnaires are a popular tool for collecting research data. They are made of written questions that participants answer, usually on paper or online. There are two kinds of questions: closed questions like yes or no, and open questions where people can write their own answers. Why we use questionnaire for our research data, for our research method? One reason questionnaires are used often is because they are quick and low cost. They help us collect information from a large number of people, and answers can be collected fast and used for statistical analysis. But questionnaires also have problems. The problem are when people may not understand the question, so they can answer whatever they want, or they cannot answer it at all, or when they may give short answer, or they may not tell the truth. We do not know because we didn't ask them. They do it by themselves. Sometimes the meaning of answer is not clear. So to make a good questionnaire, we have to use clear and simple words. Do a pilot test before using it. Make sure that the question matches our research goal, and keep it short and focused. Because questionnaires are good when we want to learn about opinions, references, or behavior from many people. They are often used in survey research or when you want to get quantitative data. Next, we'll talk about another common method, which is interviews. So, interviews is a way to collect data by talking directly to the participant, or when the researchers ask questions and the participant give answers. Interviews can be face-to-face, or on the phone, or even online. Why we have to do interviews? Interviews help researchers get deep information from the participant. We can ask more detailed questions like why and how if we need more explanation. So this makes interviews great for qualitative research. According to Griffey, one big advantage is that interview give rich and personal data. The researcher can also see feeling and body language when speaking in person, because we are speaking to our participant face to face, so we can see the gesture of the participant. But there are also some problem with interviews. Interviews can take a long time to plan, record, and write down. And also, the researcher's opinion or body language can affect the answers. This is called interview bias. To make interviews better, we have to prepare clear and simple questions. We use voice recorder so we didn't get lost when we want to track back. And just be neutral. Don't give our opinion to support a respondent. And we can start with easy questions to help our participant feel comfortable. Interviews are best when we want to know what people really think or feel. They are useful for small group, like students in classroom or teachers in school. Now let's explore the third method, which is observation. Observation is a method where the researcher watches what people do. We do not ask questions, we just look and take notes. The goal is to see real behavior in natural setting, like classroom. Observation is useful when we want to see what people actually do, not just what they say. For example, we can observe how students work in group, or how a teacher gives feedbacks. Griffith says that observation gives real-time data. We can watch things as they happen and notice small actions people might forget to say in interviews. But also observation have problem. We cannot always know why people is doing something. Also, people may change their behavior if they know they are being watched. This is called Hawthorne effect. The researchers on thinking can also make the not bias. So, to improve observation, we have to use checklists or not form. Also, we have to be objective as possible, and we have to observe the person more than one time. Because if we just do observation one time and we say that we got the data, that is absolutely wrong. And the last thing is we have to record our not right away. Observation is best when we want to study classroom behavior, interactions, or teaching techniques. It is useful in action research or case study. Finally, we will look at the last method, diaries and journal. Diaries and journal are a tool that let participants write about their own thought and feeling. They can write daily or weekly, for example, after a class or after learning experience. Griffith says that diaries give us personal and deep data. They help us understand how someone feels, thinks, and change over time. Diaries are very helpful when we want to learn about inner experience, like motivation, language anxiety, or learning strategies. The big advantages is that participants can express themselves freely because they write and no one bother them. They are in control of what they want to share. This can lead to rich and emotional data that we can get from tests or surveys. But diaries also have problems. Some participants may forget to write or they write very little. And the data can be incomplete and sometimes hard to read or to understand. Also, it takes a lot of time to read and analyze because the level of someone's of the language level of someone is different. To use diaries well, we have to give clear instruction. We have to set a schedule like once a week, so the participant will write continually. And we have to remind participants to be honest and write regularly. We make sure they know their writing will be kept private so they can write freely. Diaries are best in qualitative research, especially when we study language learning, feeling, or personal growth. They are also useful in long-term studies. In conclusion, collecting data is a very important part of research. Each method, like questionnaires, interviews, observation, and diaries, has its own strengths and weaknesses. We must choose the best one based on our research goal, time, and participant. I hope this presentation helped us understand more about data collection in second language research. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Good luck with your own research and keep learning. Bye-bye.